Hello everyone. Welcome to LifeKreativ, where we explore simple cooking tips that bring surprisingly great results. Pouring water directly onto dry rice is a big mistake. Many people add excess water, which makes the rice bland, mushy, sticky, and still undercooked inside. Some even end up draining extra water while cooking, which is inconvenient and annoying. Others use too little water, leaving the rice dry or partly raw since each variety absorbs water differently. Today, I'll teach you to cook rice restaurant-style separate, glossy, tender, and naturally sweet grains. To wash rice properly while preserving its nutrients, put the rice into a clean bowl. Next, fill the bowl with cold water. Gently swirl the rice with your fingertips in circular motions, as if lightly massaging the grains. A common mistake is washing rice 4 to 5 times to remove every tiny husk, which also strips water-soluble nutrients. There's also no need to leave the water running while washing. Yes, washing rice is necessary, but don't overdo it. Just 1 or 2 gentle washes are enough. Even older rice that has been stored for a long time shouldn't be washed more than 3 times. Overwashing also removes the rice's natural aroma. Then pour away the rice washing water. Many people throw it out without thinking, but that's actually wasteful. This cloudy water may look ordinary, but it has many uses. I'll share them with you soon. Add water for the second rinse and swirl gently to keep the rice's natural shine. After 2 rinses, the grains will look clearer and the water barely cloudy, showing the rice is clean yet still nutrient-rich. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment, I'd love to know. It's wonderful meeting people from all around the world. Finally, use a sieve or slotted spoon to lift the rice and let it drain for 1 to 2 minutes. Properly cooked rice gives clean starch, steady energy, and supports sensitive digestion. Now transfer the rinsed rice to the rice cooker. Many people immediately add water and start cooking, but that's not the best method. To make rice tender and flavorful, add 3 ingredients first. Start with a pinch of salt. Salt enhances aroma and helps the grains stay cohesive, without becoming too sticky. And mix the salt and rice evenly together. Next, add a little white rice vinegar, the kind used for cooking. Vinegar's acidity helps rice become fluffier, easier to stir, and less sticky. It also makes the rice softer to eat. Great for people with digestive troubles. Another benefit: vinegar keeps cooked rice fresh in hot weather. Don't overdo it. 2 milliliters of white vinegar per 1 kilogram of rice is enough without making it taste sour. The third ingredient is lard. If you want glossy, lightly fragrant rice, lard is essential. It gives the rice shine, aroma, and a richer flavor. If you lack lard, use chicken fat or neutral oil, but avoid strong-smelling oils and excess amounts. After mixing, now it's time to add water. Measuring water is key. Too much makes rice soggy, too little leaves it dry or undercooked. Here's the precise method. Dip your index finger until it touches the surface of the rice, not the bottom of the pot. Slowly pour water until it reaches the first joint of your finger. Once the water touches that point, stop. That's the ideal amount for perfectly fluffy rice. If your finger touches the bottom, you'll add too much water. If your finger hovers above the rice, you'll add too little. Then gently shake the pot so the water spreads evenly. Close the lid and cook. Most modes finish in about 30 to 60 minutes. Just press the normal cook button and let it do its job. While we wait, let me share some uses for rice washing water. You won't throw it away after this. First, it's great for washing vegetables, fruits, and dishes because of its mild acidity. Rinsing produce with it helps break down pesticide residue. Then rinse again with clean water. It also removes oily stains from dishes thanks to its natural ability to loosen grease. It's chemical-free, saves money, and is healthier. You can even use it to rinse meat or seafood with strong odors. Just add a little salt. This helps eliminate fishy smells and makes dishes more aromatic. Another use is watering plants. Rice washing water, especially the first wash, is rich in nutrients. It contains potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamins B1, B2, and B3. These help plants grow faster, photosynthesize better, and develop stronger roots. Its starches feed beneficial soil microbes, improving soil structure and moisture retention. The near-neutral pH can also reduce soil acidity, creating ideal growing conditions. Some studies suggest fresh rice washing water can inhibit certain fungal pathogens on leaves and roots. You could call it a miracle tonic for plants, great for flowers, greens, and ornamentals. Now let's return to our rice. It's almost finished cooking. When the cooker switches to warm, don't open it immediately. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes so the steam distributes evenly. This allows the grains to plump up without becoming soggy or dry. Don't leave it in the cooker for too long afterward, or it will dry out, even on warm mode. Rice is best eaten right after it rests. It's gentle, flavorful, and ideal for people with sensitive digestion. Rice cooked this way is tender, delicious, and perfectly balanced, not too wet, not too firm. A pristine bowl of white rice instantly fills the air with aroma. Try this method. You'll be thoroughly satisfied. Found these tips useful? Comment with your thoughts or side dish questions. Like and subscribe to LifeKreativ to stay updated on simple, healthy recipes. See you in the next video, wishing you and your family good health and delicious meals.